Okay guys, so update maintenance na naman tomorrow, April 30. Ayan, so ano nga ba yung mga bago? Mas din naman talaga. Every Tuesday yung maintenance nila. Naglalagay sila ng mga bagong updates, mga bagong pass, mga bagong events at dungeons. And so ano nga ba yung main update tomorrow? Ayan, main update event celebrating 50 day since launch. Ayan, will take place. Two new season passes will be added. So may dalawang season pass na parating. Then new boss raid content will be added. So meron pong boss raid na para magkakaroon na po ng boss raid bukas. Ayan. So, last week, ang dinagdag nila is yung party dungeon raid. Then, ito naman ngayon is yung boss raid bukas. Then, number 4, yung artifact gear. Incense burner will be added. So, may artifact incense burner na po silang gagawin or ilalagay. Ano pa ba? Number 5, yung epic skill. Wave of inspiration will be added. Then, 4 new mounts will be added. So, meron na namang dadagdag na 4 na mount. So, dagdag na naman to sa ating instant effect. Then, Cave 7 of Masarta Ice Cavern will be added. So, magkakaroon na siya ng Cave number 7. It's because tumataas na nga naman yung level ng ating mga characters. Ayan, so maintenance schedule, syempre Asia tayo. Ayan, UTC plus 8, Tuesday, April 30, 2024, 5:50 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. And so, new event round up. April 30 after update. Ito yung mga bagong updates. So, meron tayong check-in event. Check-in event until May 13. So, login night close of the check-in rewards. So, the item event, 50-day commemoration symbol found to receive as a check-in reward can be registered into a time limited collection. So, meron siyang free na makukuha sa check-in event lang, which is a 50-day commemoration symbol found, which is pwede natin siyang ilagay as collectible sa collections natin. Then, check-in event, shortcut mission completion event. Ito, check-in event. 50 days in pro. Ano nga ba yung makukuha natin sa check-in event? So, ito yan. So, ano nga ba yung mga rewards sa ating 50-day commemoration check-in event? So, day 1, syempre 50-day commemoration symbol bound. So, ito yung sinasabi natin pwedeng ilagay sa ating collectible or collections. Then, day 2, contribution coin bundle. Day 3, all aircraft component. Then, day 4, alluvial gold pouch. Ayan, so pang gold natin to. Then day 5, common crafting material times 40 selection. So isang piraso na yan or isang box lang yan. Then day 6, gold chest, dalawa, no? And day 7, Don's lustrous mount or weapon, Don's lustrous mount or weapon style, times 11. And so, just box lang to, pipiliin natin kung ano yung gusto natin isama, which is weapon mo or mount. And so, sa day 7 yan. So, yung isa naman, and so, 50-day commemoration chest or commemoration gift chest. So, day 1, ayan, commemoration chest. Then day 2, 50-day commemoration chest. Then day 3, 50-day commemoration chest ulit. Day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. So, I think this event is commemoration gift chest. Parang check-in din to, no? Ayan, parang check-in rewards din to. Then third is I think it's not check-in. So event lang to, no? Tapos next, Elite 7 days check-in. Ayan, so ito may check-in din. So Elite 7 days check-in. Elite Night Cruise check-in 3 ticket. And so ito bibili natin to, ticket. So ano ba yung makukuha natin to? Timer charger, Source of Growth, Old Aircraft, Compound Regent, Moonstone, Gold Chest, Metal Stimulant. Then, ito naman yung sa event. Ayan, so, event time limited collection list. Ayan, so, 50-day commemoration symbol, collection name. Ayan, so, item registered, 50-day commemoration symbol bound. Ito yung dagdag effect na sa ating collections. So, increase HP potion regen by 2, then increase damage reduction by 3. So, maganda rin kung bigyan nito 50-day commemoration symbol na ito, Yan, which is limited lang din to. Ayan, itong mga ganitong collection is limited lang. And so, nag-expire yan. So, day 50 commemoration gift chest components. Ayan, so, when opening the 50-day commemoration chest, obtain one of the items listed at randomly. So, ito yung laman ng ating 50-day commemoration chest. It's either alluvial gold pouch na 2x, or meal basket 3x, Trough of Vigilance 3x, lowest stimulant of growth. Ayan, itong stimulant, ito yung mga parang XP potion natin na ginagamit pag nagpapa-level tayo. Contribution coin bundle times 1, guild coin bundle times 1, moonstone, compound regent, time recharger, force training, sun coin na ruleta, then down lustrous weapon style summon, or down lustrous mount summon, or night cross talisman chest, night cross feather brooch, or sunset weapon style summon, sunset mount. Itong sunset, ito yung may mga possible na pwede natin or pwede tayong makakuha ng legendary, epic or legendary mount and weapons. And so maganda rin yung laman ng ating 50-day commemoration gift chest components. And so, next. Ayan, so ito yung laman yan. Check-in event. Yung kanina. So, mission completion event. So, mission completion event. Ayan, so, complete mission assigned to Night Cross and obtain rewards. All items claimed from this event cannot be traded, syempre. So, reward can be received through the event icon on the top right of the screen. So, ano nga ba laman itong ating mission completion event? So, pwede natin yan makita dito. Yeah, so, mission completion event. Event mission completion is only available once per server. And so, mission event, reward, artifact enhancements, post support. So, defeat monster entries, 3k, 6k. And so, ang reward niya is artifact enhancement scroll. Then, ito naman defeat special dungeon monster, 3k and 6k. Ang reward niya is artifact enhancement scroll pa rin. They defeat 3,000 and 6,000 battlefront monster and artifact enhancement scroll and refinement scroll then. And the final reward is splendid artifact enhancement scroll chest times 5. So ano pa yung susunod? So 50-day commemoration growth training. So mission, complete 10 guild orders. And so enhancement scroll chest times 5, complete 30 guild orders, enhancement scroll times 10, register 15 journals, shining enhancement scroll selection chest times 5, register 30 journals, restoration materials, shining enhancement selection chest times 10, then check in the guild 3 times metal fragment, then check in the guild 6 times meron siyang metal fragment 50 pieces. Then the final reward is 50-day commemoration growth trophy. And next, ayan, mount summoning and combination orders. Summon mount 15 times. Ayan, so ang dami niya, summon mount 25 times. So bumalik na naman to. So I think it's naging event na to dati. Ayan, so naging event na ito dati na itong summoning mount. And so, binalik na naman yan. So, much better kung marami tayong naipon ng mga pang-summons, yung mga inipon natin na pang-summons, is pwede na natin siyang ikaskas or pwede na natin siyang i-open bukas after ng event dahil dito sa missions na ito, no? Para makuha natin yung mga rewards na yan. The next, clear 50-day commemoration growth training. Enhanced gear 10 times. Splendid enhancement scroll selection chest 10 pieces. Enhanced gear 20 times. Splendid scroll selection chest or enhancement 20 times. Then refined gear source of growth times 2. Refined gear times 10. Source of growth times 4. Then dismantle stimulant. The final reward is 50-day commemoration growth 2P. Yung trophy 2 na to kasi kanina yung trophy 1 dito natin makukuha sa 50-day commemoration training. Yung trophy 2 dito natin sa commemoration growth training. So, elite na. Ayan. An event. Next. Ano pa ba meron bukas? So, collections. 50-day journey of growth. 50-day commemoration growth trophy 1 and 2. Ito yung makukuha natin collections. Yan. Pag natapos natin itong missions na to, no, itong nakuha natin itong trophy sa final reward, ito yung mga makukuha natin stats. Ayan. So, meron dito increase PvE depth 3, increase HP potion 3, then increase PvE accuracy, increase PvE damage reduction, which is maganda rin to, no? Or magagamit din natin to ngayon, lalo na sa mga may main quest, side quest, and daily quest. So maganda itong mga stats na to. Kahit PvE lang yan, no, for player versus environment, no, malaking tulong po yan para sa ating daily quests, no, sa mga gagawin nating daily quest. Okay, next. What's next? Okay, the next one is dungeon event. So, during the event period, reward chest gained from the completing daily quest of every grade in the forest of training will double. Ayan, so FOT na to. Event. During the event period, reward chest gained from completing daily quest of every grade. The forest training, FOT na po. So, binalik ulit nila or binalik kaagad nila yung sa forest of training na event, which is yung every chest is times 2 or dalawa-dalawa yung ibinibigay. And so, dungeon event, and during the event period, reward chest syempre yan. So, forest training po. Ayan. Sa dungeon event natin is forest training. So, i-take nyo na hanggang level 60 na kung kaya at marami namang tao sa level 60 na forest training, why not na try nyo, no? Basta makipag-party lang kayo. Pagpasok nyo doon at makita nyo na maraming tao, automatically maghanap kagad kayo ng party, no? Kahit mababa or hindi tayo tumatama or yung character natin, no, sa mga monsters sa level 60, basta maraming tao doon at may mga malalakas, pwede natin sausawan para makuha natin yung mga rewards. Ayan, so lalong-lalo na yung sa forest training, no, yan yung daily na pagkukunan natin ng papyrus sa mga newbie players pa na hindi pa nakakapagkompleto ng ating mga rare equipments. At yung mga dailies na pwede natin pagkuhaan ng ating ancient papyrus at sa mga crafting materials. And so that's why yung FOT or yung forest of training dapat araw-araw natin ginagawa at hindi natin yan kinakakalimutan. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, lalong-lalo na sa darating na event, it's because magta-times 2 ulit yung kanyang looting. So, kakatapos lang na event na to, nitong dungeon event na to, which is yung sa forest of training, then ngayon ibinalik ulit nila. So, okay na okay. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.